If you like French toast and you like waffles and you like saving time, see how I make these French toast waffles. So I'm starting with my French toast custard. So right now I'm cracking in 3 eggs. Once I'm done cracking the eggs, I'm going to put in a half a cup of whole milk. After adding the milk, I am going to whisk this up a little. Now I'm going to add in some cinnamon powder. I put 1 teaspoon. You can put less or more, whatever you desire. I like a lot of cinnamon, so I put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I'm putting in a pinch of salt. That kind of helps bring in the flavors for me. So I always put a pinch of salt in my custard. I also put in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of rum extract, which the rum extract is optional. Once you put that in there, you're going to whisk it up real good. And then you're going to add in brown sugar. So that's pretty much your custard. It's very easy. Just a few ingredients. And once I put the sugar in there, I'm going to whisk it for about 2 minutes because I want to make sure the sugar is nice and dissolved before I start on the waffles. Because I'll have to soak the bread in there, so you just want it to be evenly mixed. Once that is done, I'm going to melt some butter. I have some butter from grass-fed cows that I bought. You can use any type of butter you want. This is just the butter that I use. It's a very rich butter, so it makes it taste so much better. I'm going to melt it in the microwave and set that aside. Right now, I am just soaking the bread slices in the custard. You want this to be soaked really well all the way through so that you will have some nice tasty waffles all the way through. So once this is soaked, you put it on a plate, let it sit there for a little bit, and then we're going to get out the waffle iron, and then we're going to brush that butter onto the waffle iron. As I said, it is French toast, so you need butter for French toast. So you cannot skip this step. Don't use the cooking spray. You got to use this butter. So once you're done brushing it with the butter, you're going to follow the instructions on your waffle iron. My waffle iron was purchased on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. It was very easy to do. Just follow the instructions. It lights up after it's done. And these are my finished French toast waffles. I really hope that you guys try this for your breakfast or brunch. It was really easy. It was really quick. You don't have to make no butter and all that work for waffles. Just use whatever bread you have. I sprinkle some powdered sugar and some maple syrup. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.